If you're watching this video, then you might be interested in these angled stands for the Key 37, or you want to see how they're installed because you own a pair. It's quite simple, so there'll be no fancy schmancy stuff this time around. You'll notice circular inserts on the bottom of each leg. Needless to say, the silicone feet we included go here. Our stand is designed to integrate with the Key 37, so we need to secure each leg to the chassis. Remove these 4 screws and put them to the side for the next step. Once our screws are out, we can take each leg and align the mounting points to the slots on the chassis. Finally, we can fasten the screws back into the chassis through the holes on each leg. Now you're ready to play comfortably from your desktop. Thanks for following along. Until next time, ciao!